Oh, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you guys watch this video. Welcome back to the channel. We're here again with Alex standing over here and his beautiful Terminator. So this is an 03 mineral gray 2.3 Whipple stock motor. Do you know what brand and long tubes it has?
I do, I forgot the name.
It's all good, it's all good. So it's got some long tube headers on it, I forget what it is. Bassani X-Pipe and Flowmaster axle back. So pretty sweet little setup. Let's check out the inside and then the outside, or vice versa. However, let's just see what happens. See what can happen.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So we're gonna jump in this car, go for a ride. Now that you guys have seen it, looks pretty cool. If you didn't notice, it is a factory spoiler delete car, which I think is awesome. Very few of these made, let alone in this color, and even in the world and these cars in general. So that's a really cool factory option. So we got the GoPro set up and another one of these on the inside. So let's jump in. What has it got? Look at that mileage. 13,000, what? This thing's brand new. Don't even look, dude.
It's about to go way up.
Oh, do you have traction controls off?
Always. It's in the tune, dog.
Mine's off.
Ready for all the 03s.
I know.
03 Mach 1, 03 everything, GTs.
I wonder why they just said no. No 04's got these, unfortunately. It's 03 only. I love it. I wish I had that, dude. I like it. I just don't know why they got rid of it. I think it's super smart, probably because somebody got hit in the face with something as it sagged over time.
It's pretty, like, I don't know, it's like pretty strong. I guess it could sag, I don't know.
I think of a used car, dude, that sat forever in the outside and somebody's like left 10 pounds of weight in it. Oh, do you see that Tesla diff?
It took off.
Dude, no way. That guy's ripping it. I didn't even hear it, dude.
It was silent. It was silent, dude.
Fucking got rid of it. so that ride was awesome. His car is awesome. I really like that car. I actually really like the blower. It runs really good, especially for being on pump gas. That car hits hard down low and still carries out really well up top. Really good running car. It really makes me want to keep this and put a 2.3 Whipple on it. I mean, if I was to do a blower on this, it's gonna be a 2650 or a Whipple. I'm kind of leaning towards a 2650 just because I feel like it's more unique, but you know, then again, 2.3 Whipples are like known and they do work, and a 2.3 Whipple on the 85 would make some power. So we're gonna go for a drive now. I'm gonna drive it first so he can see me drive it, and then we're gonna switch and I'm gonna let him drive it and we'll go from there. All right guys, so the camera keeps falling, so Alex is gonna record for me because I cannot get that stupid suction cup to stay on there. So we're gonna go turn around. I'll make a hit right here on X Street, and yeah, and then from there we'll let Alex drive it and see what he thinks about it. Let's go. Ready? No. Alex's first time driving the Cobra. We're gonna see what he can do. If he likes it, maybe he won't, maybe he will. It's definitely different than his car. His tranny is a son of a gun to shift. Very difficult. We're gonna see what he can do, whether he likes this or not. This car shifts pretty good, so.
Sorry, I'm not trying to burn it.
Oh no, not at all, dude. I don't care.
Yours the gauge is like really, yours
It's at the top.
very top.
Yeah, exactly. You gotta get used to it. There's nothing you can do. Plus, doing it at low speeds like that's not gonna burn it up. It's when
Whoa,
you're.
it shifts like whoa, this thing's so soft.
Right?
I like this.
That's what a tranny should feel like. Just so you know, not like a rock, dude. His tranny is definitely stiff. You feel the bias plies are like a little like less responsive in the steering.
Yeah, your steering wheel like that.
Yeah, yeah, you can just turn it, and it's basically like, yes, it turns, but it's kind of delayed.
Yeah,
that's the easiest way to put it. So I just want you to, feel it, get used to the steering wheel, make sure you relax, take a breath, just relax. It's a car. You've driven one of these for what, 2 months now, a month now, month and a half?
Yeah, about 2 months.
About 2 months. So proud Cobra owner of 2 whole months. Yay, yay.
Your shifter just feels nice. It feels like my RS, dude. It's like really easy, just to fucking, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
like,
absolutely. Yours, mine suffered from the same problem that yours had, which is the reason why I got rid of it. So
really stiff.
Really stiff.
What'd you do to change it? You just
put a new tranny in it.
It's the only thing you can do.
Well, I don't know why they get super stiff like that. I feel like it's a fluid change can definitely help with that. But that's about it.
Shit, yeah, it's weird when it like the back end just like I never really like spit out.
It's different, but it's also the way it loads, because mine has, I don't know if yours has the toe links in the rear or a solid link, so they're really responsive compared to like the stock ones have a ball joint, so they suck up a little bit of movement. The BMW there. Oh. Oh. Is the clutch in?
Yeah.
When the clutch
isn't in it.
When the clutch is in, it's on the it's on the 2-step, so you could.
Really?
Yeah, mat it. So just goes.
God damn, that sounds mean. You ain't gonna win that one, dude. You already lost it.
You already lost, dude.
You already lost.
That ricer. Whoa, dang, that truck's, we got everybody going crazy.
It's cool to get everybody riled up, bro.
Everybody's riled up. It takes, yeah, I think you were kind of shocked at how easy it went into
like,
gear.
I was like, wait, what? That's it?
It's not supposed to do that?
Yeah, it's not supposed to, you're not supposed to fight it.
So, yeah, it's definitely nicer than fighting it. I wish I knew the solution to that, dude. And you know what? I'm half tempted to really figure it out. That's pretty funny, that truck that peeled out in front of us. I wish I got it on camera. I didn't even think. The dude just ripped it, man.
Too focused on the BMW.
Yeah, dude, I was too focused on the BMW over there revving at us, but holy cow. Oh.
Forgot you can't do that, my bad.
It's random, dude.
You have to rev match it?
Yeah, if you rev match it, it'll still grind, but it'll eventually go in.
I don't want to do it, it's fine.
T56 Magnum problems. At least it shifts smooth, but you can't downshift in the second. That's the only problem. It's definitely not, doesn't pull as hard, but
it pulls hard.
it pulls harder earlier, but it falls off way quicker.
Exactly.
If that makes sense.
Yeah,
like it hits slightly harder, just slightly, but yours, it really makes up for it so quickly that it doesn't even matter. Yeah, you can go left here. So, alrighty guys, so hopefully we got a good race coming up here. It's gonna be between the Cobra that I did kind of a little bit of a review on, a little test and tune type, driving around, making some hits, missing some gears, and then we got that Camaro that I've raced a bunch up here. So hopefully it'll be a good race, guys. Let's see. You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. But that was the best, that was a good ride.
That was a really good run, dude.
You having a passenger kind of evened it up a little, bro.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Well, welcome back, you guys. It's the end of the night, so we pretty much finished everything up. I just went and picked my fiance and her sister up from her bachelorette party. I basically left straight from where I shot those little clips, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed Alex's car. Alex is a real cool. Alex is a real cool dude with a beautiful Cobra. That car, literally, when he bought it, had 11,000 miles on it. Like, that's insane, guys. You don't find him anymore, and he paid an insane deal for the car. I'll tell you this, he paid under 25 for that car, and I'm not gonna give you the exact number, but by a decent amount. And that car is insane. 11,000, mineral gray, spoiler delete, 2.3 Whipple, beautiful car, 4-pound lower. It's got all the perfect mods. It's fast, it's definitely faster than this car. It really makes me want to keep this car and put a big blower on it. Like, From day one, I've wanted to put the 2650 on it, and I think if we keep it, it's going 2650 and it's gonna go 2650 here soon. So if that's the case, we'll buy a fuel system, buy a blower, and take it over to Dyno Edge and get it tuned up, and hopefully it'll make some good power, and we're gonna spin the living heck out of that blower as hard as we can, make as much boost as we can, at least as much as this thing will make. If it'll make 800, I would hope it'd make 800, and if it does, awesome. If not, you know, I got 12 pounds of lower to make it go real fast, so hopefully we can get it to go as fast as we need it to go. I do have my 8, and I'm really tempted to leave the 8-pound lower on it, or, you know, maybe I'll buy a 6, but I think I want to leave the 8 on it with a decent size upper, and see how that goes, and, you know, we'll go from there and see. Maybe we leave the 12-pound with like a stock 3.5-inch pulley up there, or 3.2, and let her rip tater chip. But as always, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell after so you know my next video comes out. As always, keep wrenching on your own cars, keep kicking butt. I'll see you guys in the next one, but it's time for you guys to get the heck out of here.